Welcome back, guys. In today's video I want to show you how to delete documents and data on iPhone. To delete your documents and data on iPhone, this is how to do it. The first thing you want to do, you want to log into your settings. That is, you want to open up the settings app. As you can see, this is the settings app now. So once you come to the settings, the next thing I want you to do, if you check the upper top, the top, you are going to see your Apple ID over there. I want you to tap on that, your name. Then it will open up the Apple ID for you. Once it opens up the Apple ID for you, what I want you to do next here, I want you to tap on iCloud. So let's tap on iCloud here. So once you tap on iCloud, it will bring up another page for you. So on this page, what we want to do, we want to tap on Drive. I want to tap on Drive over here. So once you tap on Drive, it will bring up another page for you. On this page, this is where it shows the files you have stored to your iCloud on your iPhone. What I want you to do here, I want you to tap on Manage Storage. So once you tap on Manage Storage, it will open up this page for you. On this page, I want you to look down here to the lower part. You're going to see where it says Delete Data from iCloud. If you are sure you really want to delete it, you just want to tap on that and your document will be deleted from your iCloud on your iPhone. So the second thing I want you to do is this, that you can do to delete your data from your iPhone is this. You want to go back to the settings home page. Then you want to tap on General. Then once you tap on General, it brings out this page for you. On this page, you want to tap on iPhone storage. So once you tap on iPhone storage, it will bring up all the apps you have on your phone. So what you can do is this, you want to look for individual apps that you know that you are not really using. So you just want to tap, let's say I have a lot of, maybe YouTube is taking too much space. I'll just tap on it. Then I can upload this. Okay, since I want to delete my data from the backup from the iPhone, I'll just tap on delete app and go back to reinstall it again so that I can have fresh data. So guys, this is how you can actually clear off your document and data on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.